Welcome back to Miss Auto Review. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Bajaj King Business Auto Rickshaw, a vehicle that's generating significant buzz in the commercial transport sector. Bajaj has long been a dominant player in the auto rickshaw market, known for producing reliable and efficient vehicles. The 2025 Bajaj King Business Auto Rickshaw continues this legacy with several enhancements aimed at improving performance and driver comfort. Under the hood, the new Bajaj King is equipped with a robust 200cc four-stroke engine. This powertrain ensures better fuel efficiency and lower emissions, aligning with modern environmental standards. Drivers can expect a smoother ride and reduced fuel costs, making it a cost-effective choice for daily operations. In terms of design, the 2025 model boasts a more aerodynamic structure, reducing drag and enhancing overall performance. The spacious cabin offers improved legroom and seating comfort, addressing common concerns among drivers who spend long hours on the road. Safety features have also seen an upgrade. The inclusion of a reinforced chassis and improved braking system provides better stability and control, crucial for navigating the often congested urban streets. Additionally, enhanced lighting systems ensure greater visibility during nighttime operations. Now, let's talk about the expected price. While Bajaj has yet to release official pricing details for the 2025 King Business Auto Rickshaw, we can make an informed estimate based on current market trends. As of early 2025, auto rickshaw prices in Pakistan vary depending on the brand and model. For instance, the Sazgar Deluxe Mini Cab is priced at approximately 280,000 Pakistani rupees, while the Superpower electric rickshaw ranges between 500,000 Pakistani rupees to 600,000 Pakistani rupees. Given Bajaj's positioning in the market and the features offered in the new model, it's reasonable to anticipate that the 2025 Bajaj King Business Auto Rickshaw will be priced competitively within this range. Potential buyers should prepare for a price point that reflects the vehicle's enhanced capabilities and the current economic landscape. It's also worth noting that the auto rickshaw market has experienced price fluctuations due to various factors, including changes in raw material costs and currency exchange rates. For example, in recent years, manufacturers have increased prices in response to rising steel costs and currency depreciation. Therefore, it's advisable for prospective buyers to stay updated with official announcements from Bajaj and consult local dealerships for the most accurate and current pricing information. In conclusion, the 2025 Bajaj King Business Auto Rickshaw promises to be a noteworthy addition to the commercial vehicle market, offering a blend of efficiency, comfort, and safety. Its anticipated price reflects its value proposition, making it a compelling choice for those in the transport business. Thank you for tuning into Miss Auto Review. Stay subscribed for more updates and in-depth analyses of the latest in the auto industry.